If they could talk to you, what do you think they'd tell you?
Don't eat me.
Do you remember what sound the cow makes? Can you say it? Do you want to feed the moo cow?
Yeah. I want some gas.
They friendly, like our dog at home, like our kitty.
It kind of is like a dog. Chickens, roosters, cows, pigs. I learned that they're bigger than what I thought they were.
He weighs 5 times what you weigh? 10 times? 50 times?
I learned that they've got different personalities and stuff.
What are some of their personalities?
Some of them are really nice, and some of them are kind of lazy.
What do you think of them?
They're very soft.
They're like pigs. They want to live their own lives. They don't want to be eaten.